Hello everyone. Today we'll be opening up a pack of Super Mario Bros. Wonder trading cards. I received this as a pre-order bonus when I ordered this Super Mario Bros. Wonder game. When I heard that this game was going to be released, I knew that I definitely wanted to play this game, but I also saw that if you pre-ordered this game, you'd receive this as well. So I pre-ordered this from Walmart. I received it just today. It was actually not in the case. It was in the envelope separately. Let me go ahead and read the information about this pack. The information isn't on here or on the game case itself, but this is from what I'm reading online on the Walmart website. So in this pack, there are 10 cards randomly pulled from 15 base cards, 4 holo cards, and a limited edition holo Elephant Mario numbered from 1 to 1,000. This isn't a game review at all. We're just going to open up the pack that we received. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything on here before we open it up. All right, anyway, well, let's just go ahead and get started and see what we could get. We'll put this up here. One and only pack. Let's go. All right, so we have a Mario card. Mario is the undisputed hero of the Mushroom Kingdom. He's always there to help his friends and take out enemies. We have Peach. This princess of the Mushroom Kingdom loves going on adventures with Mario and friends. We have Bulrush. Bulrush. This rowdy enemy charges as soon as it sees Mario or his friends, but it's not great at stopping. Very interesting. Hoppo. A Hoppo starts rolling when Mario or his friends jump on it and can make for a great bouncy platform. Okay, all right. Nabbit. Nabbit is a quirky character with big purple ears, orange shoes, and a drawn-on grin. Ooh, Wonder Bowser Jr. This looks like a holo. Go ahead and sleeve this one up. Bowser Jr. uses his dad's wonder power to try to stop Mario and friends from saving the Flower Kingdom. Very cool. Chew right here. Toadette. Toadette is spunky and knows how to have fun. She loves a good adventure. Very cool. We have Daisy. Despite being royalty, Daisy is totally down to earth and always ready for a challenge. Very cool. I'll just go ahead and put you over Hoppo. Next we have Talking Flower. These flowers will chat with Mario and friends to liven up their adventure or give hints. And it looks like, last but not least, we have Prince Florian. This friendly and determined prince joins Mario and friends on their journey to save the Flower Kingdom from Bowser. Very cool. So it looks like these are all characters that most likely will be part of the game. Pretty excited to start playing this. But yeah, sadly, we weren't able to pull that limited edition holo Elephant Mario, but that's fine. We still were able to get some pretty cool cards, and this Wonder Bowser Jr. does look pretty cool. So anyway, that was the pack opening. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have the game, I hope you enjoy that as well. But anyway, thank you all for joining in. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one. Take care. Thanks. and bye.